Hello, this is Baron Dip. We're going to install the Indigo chatbot from Windows. Indigo is just a DeviantArt chatbot. Okay, we want to go to DeviantArt Message Network. We want to go to dAmn as seen above. Up here is the title box. We want to go to Install Guide. It'll bring you to a new website, dAmn.com. Want to go to Windows or your respective operating system, I should say, but we're doing this one for Windows. Want to go over here to Java. As you can see, Indigo is one of the supported bots. You want to download and install Java from here. You want to run this. You want to go through all the steps. You do not have to save this. I'm sorry. I already have it installed, so I don't have to do that. Want to go here. We already did step 1. You want to go to you want to create a new account for your chatbot. In order to connect to DeviantArt Message Network, you need a new account. Okay, now what you want to do next, you want to download Indigo. Want to go here. Tab 4 should be downloads. If it's not, just go to one marked downloads. There'll usually only be one here because all the other ones are auto-updated. Want to click here. You could open or save this, but if you open it, don't close it until you extracted the stuff. Now what we're going to do, we're going to extract Indigo to desktop. Your computer may look a bit different because I'm using WinRAR, but Windows will open these files automatically anyway. So we want to just click and drag Indigo's file. You can close the folder at this time if you've opened it. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up Indigo. We want to go to config.cfg. Want to right click, open with. WordPad will be somewhere down here unless you opened a CFG file with it before. So just open up WordPad with it. Owner, this is your main username on DeviantArt Message Network. So mine's Baron Dip. This is your bot's username right here. T username is your bot. So Baron Chatbot 01. This is your bot's password. I'll put mine in after I pause the video. So right here's the rooms that your bot joins automatically. We're going to separate each room by a comma. So dAmn and developing developers are just showing how you could join 2 rooms at once. 2+ rooms at once, I'm sorry. Join however many you want. Right here, trigger is how you talk to your bot. Let's go ahead and make ours an emote. As most people on DeviantArt know, you could do a colon, emote name, colon, and that'll make an emote for you. So, you want to go up here, you want to click save. That's it. Now I'm going to pause this, I'm going to edit my password. Okay, back to the tutorial. Now that we've edited config CFG, want to go to modules. If you don't want either of these 2 modules to load, just place them in your off folder. Easy. It is highly recommended that you read the README. It is highly recommended that you read the changelog every update. Actually, it's not as recommended, so whatever. You do not want to run indigo.jar if you are on Windows. If you do, you will not see a console. You want to run indigo.batch, or .bat rather. It's just a Windows batch file. You want to run this and it will show you a console. So let's go ahead and run this, and if you set everything right, it'll log straight into DeviantArt Message Network. It'll join the rooms that you specified. Ignore this line right here, BDS bot check warning. It's nothing. You may also get other BDS bot check warnings. Those are just something that you don't need to worry about at all. It doesn't affect your bot in any way. So let's go ahead and go back to bot dAmn. Now we're going to talk to the bot. A very documented feature of all bots on bot dAmn is that they all respond to trig check. So you can do Indigo bot :space trig check. They'll tell you what their trigger is. Oh, our bot isn't Indigo bot, I'm sorry. That is our bot that we're editing right now. So we could use law. Commands will list you all the available commands for your user privilege, which by default it's owner. It is not recommended that you put anybody in. Let's open up proof. Right here is a list of all your privileges. It is not recommended that you ever remove the owner, as for there's special stuff that currently happens with the owner. It is recommended that you do not remove this plus. If you do, I don't know what will happen because I haven't tested it yet. So just don't move the plus. The plus is just a default priv class that everybody has. It is recommended that you don't put anybody here. Just place anybody you don't like in here, I guess. You can look at all the priv commands by doing you could view any help by typing in your trigger, then help, and then the command. I'll show you help with a description and all syntax. Okay, that is it. Thanks for watching. Before you ask, I set it to this resolution because my audio was off sync in my past few videos, so